only need these two tools to make you a passive income that will pay you forever. Literally, you just need two tools. The first one is Amazon. The second one is Canva. With these two tools, you can be able to make a passive income that will pay you forever. I recently started another passive income using these two tools. The good thing about this passive income is, number one, you don't need any money to start this passive income. You literally can start with $0, and the only thing you need is a phone or a laptop. The second thing is, any person can start this passive income. Either you're a beginner, you're advanced, or you're an expert. This is a passive income that is beginner friendly. Anybody can start. You don't need to know a lot. All you need to be is willing to do this. The third thing is, you can start from anywhere in the world. Anywhere in the world. You do not have to be in a specific region for you to start. I'm literally in Africa, in Kenya, and I started this passive income. So this means you need to take a chance and listen to till the end of this video to know exactly how you can make passive income, and I'm going to walk you through on how I did it to be able to create another passive income that is going to earn me money forever. So let me walk you through this passive income. It is creating digital products. We all know that digital products are really coming up in this season, and everybody is creating digital products. But in this passive income, you can actually create specific digital products, either the ebooks, the low content, the high content. I'm going to walk you through the steps that you need to be able to get started and show you exactly how I did to be able to create this passive income. The first step is create an Amazon KDP account. Amazon KDP literally stands for Kindle Publishing. So this is an Amazon account where you are able to create digital products, and then Amazon will do all the shipping, the printing, and deliver everything to your customer. So the only thing you need to do is come up with the creativity. So the first thing is go create your account. It will literally take you 10 to 15 minutes, but there are some things like the bank details. If you do not have, it will literally mean that you need to go to your bank, get all the requirements, and then come back and fill in your requirements. I want to tell you, don't go ahead and do something else if you have not accomplished this, because there is no way you're going to get your money if you have not filled in the tax information and the bank information. So you want to get started with this and get done with this before we head on to the second step, which is researching on the products you want to sell. We are not just going to start selling a product we hardly know of. You want to do your research and thorough research. Number one is, you want to research on the niche you want to get into. You don't just want to do anything and everything. Do a thorough research. What are some of the digital products the people in my niche are selling? So that is the first thing you need to do. The second thing is, you need to go to Amazon and then do the research yourself. Go and look what are the most selling digital products in your niche. So let's say you want to do journals. What are the most selling journals? Are they journals for women, prayer journals, quote journals? You need to do a very thorough research. When you're doing your Amazon research, I also want you to look into some of the, how many pages are they creating in that niche. If it's a journal, how many pages are they creating? Is it 150? Is it 200? Which ones are the most high in demand? Look at so many things. Look at the colors. Look at the outlook in terms of the cover. What are the things that people are actually buying in your niche? Look at in terms of the inches in which the books are being created. Is it 8.5 to 8.5? Look at these inches, because they are really going to help you when it comes to knowing exactly how to create a cover and the kind of book you want to create. Step number 3 is, I want you to get started in creating. So after you have done your research in creating, you need two things. You need Amazon KDP calculator. That is, just go to Google and type Amazon KDP calculator, it will come. Then you need to fill in everything from the type of book you need to create to the type of content. Everything is there, you need to fill in. And when it comes to inches, that is why I was telling you, you need to do a research in terms of the inch in which people are creating the book in your niche that you have chosen. Make sure you know the inches so that you can fill in terms of the amount of inches that people are creating in your niche. So come up with it. After you have created, you will see a button where they say download. Here at the download button is where you click in and download your cover, because this is the cover that is going to help you when you are creating your cover book. The second place is I want you to go to Canva. So Canva is a free site where you can be able to go and create many designs, from ebooks to journals to coloring books, whatever thing you want to create in your niche that you have chosen. Go to Canva and type in. For here we're going to type journals. Go to Canva and type in journals. Then you will get a variety of templates that Canva will give you in terms of the thing you have chosen. So if it's journals, it will give you a template of the type of journals you can create. You go in and create journals that represent the kind of thing you want to create. So if they are quote journals, you have to place in quotes. If they are prayer journals, you have to place in some prayer quotes or prayer Bible verses. So go in with the type of thing that you wanted to create and place it there. Another thing I want to caution you when you are creating a design on Canva, please do not go and just take whatever template you find, either in the free version or the pro version. Please do not just go in and take whatever do not go in and take the template you find and just download it immediately, because Canva can actually take legal action. So take whatever template you find on Canva. I want you to change something, either the fonts, change the color, or just change something so that it actually makes it like your own design. You don't want to copy everything that you get on Canva and just paste. No, it doesn't work that way. You want to go in and customize it to your own liking so that you can actually place it on sale, and that way Canva will not take action to take on you. When you're done creating your template, I want you to download your templates on your files. Then go in and start creating your cover. Like you can see here, this is a cover I had created prior for my planner. This is how you create. You need to use the downloadable cover you had actually downloaded on the KDP calculator. It's going to guide you and show you where you cannot pass. You don't want to create something that will bring issues when uploading your digital product. After you are done with everything, the step number 4 is uploading your product on KDP. Now we are going to upload our product. It is very easy, it's very simple, it doesn't take a lot of time. You need, the first thing I want you to be very crucial about is title you place. Amazon is a very big market and people are very competitive there. So you need to be very specific in terms of your niche. Be very specific in your keywords, in your titles, in everything that will actually help your book or your digital product to rank on top. So that is one thing I want you to consider when you are uploading your product. And if you want me to create another video that will actually walk you through on how to create and upload digital products on Amazon KDP, please comment down here below and I'll walk you through. After you're done uploading your digital product, you can now be able to publish it. Amazon will give you 72 hours to 10 days for it to actually approve your product. So if it's a digital product that needs to be printed, it takes a longer period of time, but if it's an ebook, it will literally take 2 to 3 days and you will be able to put your book live and start selling your product. Now that you have gone through all this process of creating and coming up with it, it's time to now market your product. Let me just be honest. Just creating a product and putting it on Amazon, it's not guaranteed that it will make a sale. Look, Amazon, it's a big marketplace, and people are out there just posting their product every single time. So you need to stand out, and you're not going to stand out and make sales if you do not put yourself in to do the marketing. I want you to go and start marketing your product. It can be on your socials if you have a larger audience, or you can go ahead and start marketing your product. Pinterest is one of the best places I do my marketing. I market my digital products on Pinterest because that is where my target audience are. So if your target audience are not on Pinterest, you can just use your social media platforms to market your product, or you can use the KDP ads to actually advertise your product so that it can reach more people. So far, I have not been able to make a sale, but I'm very happy because I have actually created as passive income that I know is going to guarantee and bring me money, because I have literally just created this in the last 15 days. That is when I started this passive income, and I said I need to share with other people so that you can put yourself out there and create that digital product, promote it, and make more sales, because people are actually willing to buy this digital product if you just decide to put yourself in and do the work and create those digital products, and you start making your sales. Comment down here below if you're going to actually try this, if you're going to do this, if you're going to make a digital product today and start selling it on Amazon, or if you are just willing to try out a new thing. And if you feel like you have not understood and you want to be clarified more and get more understanding, you can book a call with me. The link is down here on the descriptions below. I will walk you through. I'll be happy to walk you through and just help you and guide you in start selling your digital products, because I know you can actually make money if you're just willing to put yourself in. So go for it, go get that money, go start selling those digital products. Thank you very much for reaching this far. Like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel where I teach you on business idea, making money on the online space, personal development, and self-improvement for women and young girls. From me to you again, it's bye-bye. See you on my next video.